Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through step-by-step process on how to cancel an AliExpress order after payment. When your order status is the seller has shipped your order, you cannot cancel your order after it is shipped. However, you can reject or return the goods after it is delivered to you. When your order status is awaiting shipment, you can cancel your order with the seller's approval. Now, click the button Cancel Order on the Order Detail page. Select a reason for cancellation and then submit the request. You can contact the seller for their approval to speed up the process. If the seller does not responding to your request within 72 hours, the order will be automatically closed and the refund will be returned to your account. Contact the seller if they refuse to cancel your order, as the cancellation might cause losses to the seller while he or she is preparing the shipment. Orders will be cancelled automatically if sellers fail to ship goods by their due time. If you haven't received your order before delivery time is out, or you are not satisfied with the product you received, try to contact your seller for a solution. If that doesn't work, you can apply for a refund by opening a dispute before the buyer protection has ended. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.